Okay, guys, we're gonna play. This is Sky's POV. We're gonna play Minecraft now. We're gonna play now. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just. Oh my gosh, we're gonna play. This is Sky's POV, and you can go to my sister's POV. And also, I was building a house. This this one here.
I believe this is actually
Okay,
enough land to build a house.
Actually, this was my house so far. I am almost done with the walls and roof. The only furniture we need is missing. Okay, we're almost done. This left. This is it. This is my house. So, okay, we're gonna. Oh, this is so good. And we need the floor. And it's gonna give us. Oh my gosh. Oh. Bro. Bro. Huh?
Wow, guys, look at this land. But I still have to make more.
Wait, let me see. I am building mine into grass.
I have to remove some. I have to make it flat. So my house doesn't look like curve.
Okay, this is my house so far. Sorry about the
We're in creative
situation.
mode, by the way, but we will try doing it in survival mode.
Yeah, let's do that. Stair.
Next time we're gonna try doing a 1-block challenge.
1 block challenge. Let's go to.
We're probably
Don't
gonna
get
try.
in.
It's either we might not.
Bro, where was the
Either we
TV
just,
show,
like,
bro?
cancel it, or we're just gonna try doing a different challenge.
I just have to. This is my house so far. It's just simple, but it's gonna be cool later. You can see. Are you excited? Maybe not. Okay. Are you excited for it? This is our break time for building a country because this is for 10 days. 10 days only. It's just 10 days. Yeah, that's all. 10 days. Okay.
I'd like to explore this a bit of land.
Okay, let's
Let's get some
the
TNT.
furniture. Ooh.
Guys, next time I'm gonna build a secret trap for Sky.
What is that? Wait. Why are you doing that?
Because I want to.
No, you're gonna make me die. TNT?
I'm just gonna explode some bit of that. It's much easier.
Guys, bro just ruined mine. My gosh, bro ruined it.
Redstone.
Redstone.
Next time, I'm gonna build a bit of a trap for Sky. We're going on survival mode.
Oh no.
I know do a bit of redstone stuff. So here I am. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I bet explode more trees though.
Okay, this is our sofa, and this is the sofa. I'm gonna build the bedroom.
Okay, I think this is
Okay,
that we could got.
and
Let's go
then
get more TNT.
just do
We're
the
gonna
blue
explode
one.
more of that land. And then repair it. Oh, I think that's too much.
Wait, it's a.
I'll be up to the next. Maybe 3 is enough. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not even connected to the TNTs.
Okay, this would fit, so I'm gonna do it like this.
Okay, that's good.
Wait, no. Here, like that. Okay.
Guys, I think we got a bit too deep.
Oh, bro.
But let's just repair some bit of that land. And we can just keep going. We'll be playing in this same world where I could just put that trap.
Oak stairs. Okay.
So Sky is so cook when he opens the world, and then I'll make another. Wait, no, I will not make another world. I'm gonna make him spawn somewhere, and then he's gonna have like a pickaxe, and he's gonna carry like a lot of food just in case he's hungry. And then once he was there he will be so cooked. His journey or his task is to get diamonds. That's it. But this is not just about diamonds.
What should I put?
I don't know why Sky's not even talking to me anyways. But I don't know.
Let me find furniture that could fit me. Let me find. Sofa, no. Wait, kitchen.
Oh, I don't know why am I doing this.
What are you doing? This is a little bedroom, but it's okay.
Bumbala.
Why we destroy? Like this.
Then I'm just gonna cover this piece of land with a piece of land.
Okay, I am building two
Maybe
beds
not.
in just case if you want to sleep.
Sky is already building his mansion so nice, but I'm gonna make mine really big, so that's why I haven't even built mine yet.
And don't also mind in this pain because this is so.
We can mix for a boring down.
Oh no! Better fix that. Better fix that. That I have a bedroom. Look,
Okay,
this is
bro.
my bedroom.
I'm gonna go make my make it quartz instead. Make the whole house quartz instead, so it looks really nice.
Nah. Wait, I need carpets. Wait, that could be good. Carpet.
Guys, I was planning to actually start an ASMR channel, but that got cancelled. Me and Sky are actually planning to do a taste test video one time, but that got cancelled because Sky got sick. And I have no idea how actually he got sick.
Because I was allergic to dogs.
Sky, I'm not talking about how you got sipon. I'm talking about when you got diarrhea. Remember when you
Yeah.
got diarrhea and you keep getting and you keep suka?
For 6 times.
Probably. And you probably don't want to eat any more foods
Yeah. I want to eat a little food.
at that time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's add some land. More like grass.
This is my house.
I'm gonna try making a rich house. Okay, guys, this is where the center is supposed to be. I'm just gonna chop off some more land because I want this thing to be.
Wait, no, but can you charge?
Okay, wait, guys, I'm gonna be BRB.
BRB. Because I have to be BRB, so I will pee.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, Sky is also BRB, but okay. His house is very far away. It's probably on the mountain tops, but mine's just near the water because I want it. Like, get off there, you should. Okay, that's pretty nice. It's supposed to be a bit hollow, so let's hollow a bit first. Oh, you know, never mind. We're just gonna build a lot of this.
Oh gosh. No.
Oh, I need to
Okay,
make
sure. This is the window.
It's a bit too tall, so I have to.
Sorry, but I have to build like this. What should I build? Let me,
Soon,
I will be right
Sky,
back.
We'll start doing live streams. Like actual live streams.
When I hit 50 subs.
I think we should. I mean, Sky will probably have to change the PFP of our YouTube channel because it's just a random bacon, Roblox bacon jumping. But since we don't do Roblox content anymore, or unless it's just basically until
Oh, table.
at the end of summer, we're just, if it's the end of summer or like school year, probably at like next year, our Roblox and Minecraft content will probably have to turn into Minecraft content again. It will be like the same cycle. Like,
I am making. No, this is.
summer is
Nah,
Roblox
nah,
and
nah,
Minecraft.
This could be the
And then,
table for eating.
and then school days or next school year is just gonna be Minecraft.
What should I do? Painting.
Okay, guys, we also have like a country named Starbuck, which I'm gonna give you guys a tour. It's our imaginary country. I'm not saying that it's actually a real country. I'm just bored, so I just wanted to make it our imaginary country of ours. So I invented Starbuck. Me and Sky we're also trying to design its flag. I don't know, I was bored. That's why I started a country, or our imaginary country. The one
Lights.
we're building is like during like it's like the PC times. Probably at like
Lantern. Lanterns. Lantern.
So yeah, if you wonder how are you guys doing, we're actually doing good. Like this year,
Oh.
I have like friends. I get like new classmates, new friends, stuff like that. Something like that. Yeah, and we're also trying to improve on our grades. So that's why we're able to post that much lately. Because we're getting so focused on school right now. But we're so lucky to post right now on this day because there was actually no school. Like,
Yeah, there's no
starts-
school for a week, but we have now today.
But probably tomorrow there's school, but it's not actually kind of confirmed.
Because I have club
There might-
day.
But there's probably school tomorrow because it's kind of because the sun is shining. So that's probably evidence there's school tomorrow. But that doesn't mean that I have to stop making my regular content with me and Sky.
This is so cool, but this is so scary.
But sometimes when there's exam week, I will probably might not post due to the days of almost about quarters or trimester
Yeah.
exams coming up. So I better. So that means summer is just going
Guys is so.
But just now, this school year, like I had a funny teacher. I have like I have like funny teachers on my school. I have like a lot of friends. I also kind of like some of my teachers. Like sometimes they're funny, but I also have some stupid ones. It was pretty fun at school. Don't get me wrong. It makes me feel like the anxious to want to go to school again.
BRB. That plan failed. Oh,
So yeah, that's how I was doing at school right now. Sky,
Plan
I don't know
failed.
what he's actually doing at school.
I was actually.
Yeah, but during the free time when there were no school
What?
days,
I
we
was
just draw
free.
because we have nothing else to do. Or we just play with our toys.
Where's the fridge? Huh? Fridge.
Well, and then
Bookshelf.
Yeah, it's just Sky asking me if I want to do it, so I have to agree.
Shelf.
And I say no, we
Bookshelf.
It's either, and also Sky has a friend. His name is ChatGPT.
Yeah.
That's her friend, right?
Yeah?
I know he's AI, but you know the reason why he's into ChatGPT so much? Well, he's actually,
Oh.
he's actually talking to him like 24/7. And I actually showed him that you can speak to ChatGPT sometimes, and he's actually using it. Like he's saying the most random stuff to ChatGPT and stuff. I know that's something like that.
This is my POB. You can change it to my sister's POB. But after this video.
I don't know why.
Wow!
But I don't want to
This is tensions to the English too.
I know it will harm our environment and like that, but I know my parents will have to take charge of it.
This is my carpet.
So yeah.
Okay. This is my good.
Sky. They're not in the sky.
This is my bookshelf. Sorry, but I have to destroy this painting. Not like that. Just a bookshelf. One more and then I
Okay,
stop.
guys.
Okay.
This is finally enough land to build something we never wanted.
I just started building.
Hey guys, don't ask me why is there
Wait, this is gonna be the entrance. So they have to go here.
I just wanted to give it like something. I just wanted.
And
I just want the land to be super flat. So yeah, all I did
this
was
is
just
outside. If you want
explode
to
some
go in
land
this
into
world,
redstone
you have to
leather.
be friends with us.
And just
But
covered all the
okay,
evidences.
what's the
Okay guys.
comment
Oh,
you're
that's not it.
using?
Okay guys, we're
Comments.
almost there to building the actual house.
Wait, there's a light.
But since this is a 10-day build, and since there are 3 quarters, we can just start playing Roblox that a bit early. But
This
that means
is
there are
actually
more lessons. It's just 4 quarters all over
Starbig
again.
is actually
But
cool. Yeah, this is my house so
it's
far.
just like
Yeah,
it's like there are 4 quarters again.
you could actually live
But
in
2
this
of the
house.
quarters.
Wait, but actually,
One of
this
the
is actually cool.
quarters just got combined with the others. So that means.
Okay, let me
So
check
that
that. Tata,
probably means.
Tata, can I go to you? Where did you go?
I forgot.
Where?
Well, you can find me. I'm just like somewhere with the cherry blossoms.
What?
I'm just somewhere near the cherry blossom tree.
Wait, see cherry blossom trees.
Like 2 of them.
Yeah?
Okay, then go there. But don't take all of my land. That
Where
is the
did
land
you
I
go?
use. Sky, I'm basically behind the mountain with 2 cherry blossom trees.
I see 2 cherry blossoms like this.
Like in the one in the mountain.
Yeah?
Wait, can I see? Wait, guys, I'll be back. Sky, that's not that one. I think you went a bit far away.
Then where?
I don't know, bro. I forgot. I'm sorry.
No, I want to go with you.
Sky, you have to find me.
Oh, go. Where are you?
I don't know.
Where are you?
Sky, tell me. Wait, go, like, roam around. I'm just, like, near a big hole with the water falling. Like a very big one.
Like, where is it? A big water falling like this.
Like.
You're here.
Wait, do you see this?
What? Where?
Wait, I want to see. Wait, wait, did I see something flying? Wait, let me check my surroundings because there might be like 3 of cherry blossoms. Wait, that's not where I am.
Where did you go?
Wait, can you like look? You're not there yet. You have to
Are you here? Here.
Where?
Here. Down. Up here. Up. Here. Here. Here is here. This.
Huh? Oh, no, don't take my land.
I'm just here. Where did you go?
I'm there, bro.
I just gotta go to you. This is
Okay.
where you are.
Yeah.
This is where you are going.
Yeah. Yeah, this is where I go.
Oh, this is your land.
Okay, now let's just cover a bit some of the land.
My house is close to yours.
Okay, let's just add like additional land because, well,
My house is. If you find a wooden house, that's mine.
I know, bro. There's no one else that can join our server except for you.
I could join your house
But you cannot join my world unless it's just like unless I actually have to join you.
Oh no! Where fix that? I shall not build there, bro. Okay, that's a good spot to build.
Okay guys, so you're wondering how am I up actually today? I'm actually doing fine actually. I'm
This
doing
is
pretty
actually,
fine today.
I am doing really fun.
I mean, me and Sky were just playing, doing stuff. Yeah, that's all we actually do the whole day. And then we just do our like asynchronous lessons. If you don't know what that is, it's just like a practice activity, which is apparently not because we barely haven't even learned any of the lessons they gave us.
But me, I already have 4 subjects.
And which
But I have
apparently
6
gives us the
teachers.
which gives us the fact that we're already instead of basically.
I already in grade 1.
Yeah, and then and class has been
Yeah.
cancelled so much that we went from GMDAS.
Bro, there was red warning, orange
Bro, just talk
warnings.
to your viewers, not me. But I already know about them.
Yeah, there was so many warnings. There was orange, red, and other stuff, bro. And there can be a green.
Why would there be a green warning?
Such a GPT said there can be a red warning, Berchacho.
I mean green.
Oh,
Guys,
Oof.
does green warning actually exist? Because I don't think so.
it is true. It existed.
Who said?
ChatGPT, bro.
Oh, I didn't. But why were you relying or believing AI so much? You know AI can make mistakes.
Shh.
Okay guys, so this is how the land actually turned out. Now let's go get started into building the, what's it called, the house. Okay guys, so how we start the house. Wait, let me just remove some of these blocks.
Oh my gosh, I got spoiled. I also learned 2 dogs. Yeah, that's why I have this. So sick.
Okay guys, so this
Bro, I
is
can
where we're
talk
gonna start
that
building
much.
the house.
Bro,
Okay, let's go get some quartz.
bro, quartz?
A block of quartz. Nether quartz.
How you get that quartz?
I mean, someone said that. Quartz
Quartz?
looks why is it a
What's the
glass
spelling? Quartz.
block? The spelling is Q-U-A-R-T-S.
Quartz.
I mean with Z, not S.
Okay, I got block of quartz. Is it block of quartz?
Okay guys, this one is gonna be pretty big. So you guys
And
have to
okay
be
guys,
video.
we have to do guys, we shall not build like this because are you
So
removing
first,
the
let's go.
carpet? We should not build there.
So
Wait,
I'm
no.
actually gonna do this with
Here. Oh, my walls is just gonna be quartz.
okay, let's
Quartz
just edit
only.
some of the
Quartz.
okay, let's do this.
Why do we need quartz for?
I don't know, it's just for the house's aesthetic. It's not that bad.
But it's gonna cover my paintings, Berchacho.
And guys, I don't know because I tried making a TV in Minecraft, but it absolutely failed. So yeah, we have to stick. So yeah, we have to do something else other than making. So yeah, all we have to do now is just make houses and stuff.
No.
This thing is gonna be it's super tall.
But it's okay. It's like the. Wow! Oh my gosh, bro.
Say hi to me.
Oh my gosh. How's it
Guys,
like
did
that?
you know? Did you know? This results to you know.
Oh my gosh, bro.
So guys, I will go try next time. Okay, guys.
Okay,
You guys
this
wonder why am
guys.
I actually
This
taking
is,
a 10-day break? Oh wait, never mind.
okay, this is all I need just to
So
bro.
guys, today
Wait.
we're actually gonna stick it to a challenge. Soon, there's gonna be challenges. You wonder what I'm gonna post? Challenges for and pranks and yeah, building stuff while storytelling. With also pure evidence that it actually happened.
Yeah, this is block of
But some stories,
quartz.
but guys, disclaimer, some of the stories that I tell sometimes
Okay,
don't actually
guys,
have the
this
evidence.
is actually
So yeah, guys,
fake.
because
Yes,
I don't
fake.
have enough sources to actually do it.
Yeah, this guys, this is actually fake. Because bro, we always have to do this. Separating this. Bro, I am making
I
a
actually
road.
started, so I'm actually gonna do like a
Wait.
mansion. Mansion.
This
I don't know
is
when, but
now where we're building a
wait,
road.
what if I just make like a bathtub and a shower mixed together? That would be really smart.
Yeah, but that I would able to make that because I forgot to do that.
It's guys, and soon I'm gonna ask my dad for some microphones for better hearing and stuff. Yeah. So all of the money you guys as viewers and the support you guys gave us is all gonna go to helping other people and we go to helping other people and buying better materials. And buying different materials for different videos. So please support us if you guys can.
Support us.
Okay guys, so this is
So guys,
my
this is
introduction.
actually
So
my
guys,
house.
this is my
It just
if
looks
you're
like a
new
rich
viewer
house.
here. Hello, my name is Daphne. And this is the Daphne Sky channel. So if you have actually heard of me before, you'll probably recognize me from my Roblox videos or if you just check out this channel. But since this is actually my first Minecraft video, for me of course, this is Sky's second Minecraft video.
Yeah.
So if you guys wonder, who are you? I'm Daphne, and I'm a girl who's chasing dreams of becoming a YouTuber one day. And
Bro.
if you guys wonder, why do you want to become a YouTuber? I just want to become well known, and I'm actually sometimes pretty bored sometimes. So yeah, I just like playing sometimes. And that's all for my introduction. And Sky, he will also post his introduction But I'm just gonna tell him not to share our location because he knows it. Sky, come introduce yourself.
Nah. My name is Zayka Skalpinaba. That's my whole name.
Sky, don't share your oh wait, never mind. They actually post our names in school.
My phone number is just like my mom's name. It's just like mine is just starts with 0.
And guys, if you wonder, why do you like to post something like this?
Sometimes I always poop.
Well, it's because
Sometimes I like pooping because it's too relaxing. Sometimes, but it gets too bad. It gets and it exploded.
So if you guys actually watch our Country Ball videos, oh guys, disclaimer, that wasn't actually my Country Ball video. I'm not that my edits are my Country Ball. If I'm the one who actually made it, mine wouldn't actually be that poorly made.
And also,
And it was Sky who actually made it the video. But thanks because Sky actually got so happy when he got like 200 plus views from his last Country Ball. But today we're probably not even gonna post Country Ball videos, probably, because this is a Minecraft video.
hey,
Sky, you're literally so bad at making Country Ball videos.
I can make country ball videos, muchacho.
Like, how is it actually that hard?
It's hard, bro. This is the entrance of this is my parking garage for my cars. No one steals this part.
Sky, you know the carts in Minecraft are just like carts?
That's
They're
ugly.
literally the only cars in Minecraft.
That, you know someone made a video about this and actually made a car.
Then follow how they make a car. I don't even make cars anyways. And my dream job is becoming a doctor, but
My dream job is not. My dream job is to just not work because it's too hard.
why don't you want to work? Then you're unemployed. You don't have enough money.
You're unemployed too.
No, I don't want to be unemployed because that means I don't have any money.
I want you to have no money.
But you're the one who's not gonna have the money because you don't.
Now I
have to
wish
work.
to be a kid every day.
Me too. But you cannot be a kid every day.
I will wish for that.
Me too. But, and guys, just a reminder, before you guys become adults, be happy that you guys are still in your, be happy that you, because, just be happy or enjoy your guys' childhood before you guys actually reach, like, or before becoming an adult. Because I heard being an adult is hard. So, yeah, just enjoy your childhood first. Because if you become an adult, you might want to be a kid again. Right, Sky?
Yes, I don't want to be an adult. I want to become a kid all day.
But Sky, that might not be possible. You have to work. Bro, this is literally a life cycle of a person. You have to become, first you have to be a kid, then you become a teenager, then you become an adult, then you become an old person.
I don't want to die.
Yeah, that's why you should enjoy your childhood.
I want to stay my same age.
Me too, bro.
I don't want to die.
I don't want to die too, bro.
I hate dying. once I died, I would actually wish to be in world again.
But also dying is also like a good side effect. Because if you die, there will be, because if people die, there will be like lesser people. But if there are like more people, everything will become crazy.
What is gonna
There will
happen?
be like overpopulation. So that means like there will be like chaos almost every day. So
Who will revive people that die?
Sky, Sky, they don't exist. People who just revive, people who revive different people don't exist.
How do we get revived?
Sky, I don't think that will actually work.
I want to be in world again.
Why you love Earth?
Yes,
But why don't you like reading books about Earth?
because it's too hard. And reading for me, too hard too.
Sky, reading is not that hard pretty much. Iron Golem doors. I'm joking.
And Tata.
Why?
Also,
Why can't I open these doors for some?
and also, I post videos without pooping.
Let's just use
I will put this to my ear. This is my house is in a cliff, so we can fall. If we fall, our cars
You're gonna
here,
still fall, Sky. You know that.
just put barriers.
Oh wait, yeah. You're so stupid. Guys, and you know what? I actually made a market in our imaginary country survey, and it was kind of worth it. Like, but I just made like 2 shops yet, not even like 5 yet.
My gosh, bro. This is such a good fight. They don't want this fun. Actually, guys, this is actually my way. You can also join our videos, but you need to be friends with us.
And guys, if you guys wonder, if you guys are a big fan and you guys want to join our world, make sure you have Minecraft because it's finally free. It's actually free now. So, because back then Minecraft was not free. It was like it was like expensive. It has like money. Like back then, it was probably like 100. I don't know, guys. Just don't ask me about the price. It's I don't know. I don't even know about anything about the price.
I forgot the price of it.
Maybe it wasn't like it was just free now. I don't know how it actually became free, but it's because of the players. It's probably because of the players complaining about how it's like has money or something.
And also, my house is actually a complaining house.
Why?
Because there's too many people in my house.
Sky, it's just 4. What's
Bro, animals can keep getting in.
Oh, your house in Minecraft?
Yes.
What do you mean our actual house? I mean, you can kill them.
I don't know how to kill.
I don't know. Just get the sword and then. That's easy.
And also, I will get cards.
And guys, Sky's house is already done, but it will never be as big as mine. Because I'm adding. And guys, this is day 1 of building my house. I'm gonna build.
They were building my rich house,
I'm
bro.
gonna build rooms. I'm gonna add a 2nd floor.
I'm not adding my second floor. Tata, you don't know how to make a second floor.
I know. I'm just gonna add stairs.
But how you're gonna make the stairs?
Yeah, it's so easy. You just don't understand. just make it super soft.
But how you gonna make the stairs big? How you gonna stack it up like this?
I'm just gonna use normal blocks.
Then you, Saber. Oak stairs look like
Hey
some.
guys, if you guys wanted a custom room, you can guys come join our world. Just enter your guys' gamer tag and I will friend you guys. Me and Sky will friend you and we will allow you to my world where you can guys build your own room.
And also I found a friend on my sister's and the name is Bob School.
You never know who's actually Bombard Cisco.
Who's
But
that?
That is actually my cousin. It's the fact that yeah, he's friends with, and he has like a friend that is like friends with another account. He has like another account with his real name, which I'm not actually gonna leak because yeah, I'm actually just spreading personal information about him. But my dear cousin who was actually watching this, please tell me, is your user Bombard Cisco something? Please tell me. Like, come on, bro. Who is that actually you? Or yeah, or you're not you? But that could actually be you because you're just friends with someone else.
Oh my gosh, this took me a lots of work, bro.
My house.
I finally finished
I
my
want to make
house.
a 3-floor house, but
Bombard School. Bobar.
so we're just gonna add some support. Okay, coming back to the build.
Tata, look at my
Oh
house.
my gosh, why do I keep falling?
My house is better than yours.
Bro, stop. I'm just still building the sky. I'm still building the panels, bro. What's wrong with you?
Where did you go?
See, you forgot where I am again.
Wait, no. I see it. I see
I
it.
wanna make like super cool Minecraft builds, but that is gonna take like not enough time. And I wish I actually recorded so early.
Tata, I should have took this spot.
This is actually really tall.
That I will help you.
No, don't need.
I could.
No, you're gonna ruin it. I'm still building the panels.
I am gonna do. Tata, what block you use? Quartz?
Yeah.
The block of
Bro.
quartz?
Sky, you don't need to help me.
Bro, I want to help you.
Bro, it's actually that easy. It's just putting panels. What's wrong with that?
I can help you. I could make it faster.
What do you mean? You're just gonna put like non-straight stuff. Please, you're just gonna make a scene.
Tata, animals are getting in.
Bros, I don't care.
Kill it.
No. You can stay in my house whenever I want. They're my fans.
They're
I
not.
already have so many fans in your house. So be grateful.
Are you sweating? I wanted to sleep.
Okay guys, Sky has CGDG now.
Wait, no. Tata, are you even done?
I mean, I'm okay, bro. Are you worrying about it? guys, I still don't know about measurements. I can have it.
I could sleep all day.
Well, you're lucky that you can sleep late because during school days, because your school starts at like 12 or 1. Meanwhile, my school starts at 7 a.m. So be grateful, Sky. So be grateful, Sky, that you can just sleep late. Or be prepared really. Or just still have some free time before going to school.
My house is better than yours.
No, I don't think.
Mine is modern.
Mother?
I could see the view of here all day.
Yours is wooded. That will not be modern. Mine is just quartz.
My
So what's the point of being so mayabang?
Stop saying yabang, Bertato.
Because you're actually on.
I am not yabang.
He actually is, Sky. He keeps
You don't know the meaning of it.
That means, yeah. Okay, what's it called again? Prideful.
That's ugly, Bert.
That
That
means you're
meaning
just full of pride and you think that you're better than everyone.
you.
That means you're not humble.
I could make you get pooped.
Guys, he's from Mayabang, guys.
Hey!
Oh no. I'm not trying to make him look bad, okay, guys? I'm not trying to make him look bad, but he actually is.
I put quartz on it. Look.
Where even are you?
In my house, Bert.
That he actually puts it others down sometimes. Even though, I mean, he's just, and he always shows off sometimes, but I'm not actually trying to say it in a mean way. So guys, don't hate me on saying that.
Hey!
So guys, don't hate me for saying that guy's my yabang because he actually is.
Stop!
I'm not trying to hate on him but please don't even bash him, guys, because yeah, he's still a child.
Hey, I'm still a big one. I am 6
You're
years
still
old.
a child.
No, I am 6 years
I
old.
mean, you're literally 5 years older than me.
I am 4. I don't grow up. My real name is not Saykay Pinabas. Actually,
Where are you?
it's actually you. My name is you. My real name is you.
Like the letter?
Yeah.
Okay guys, if you guys want a custom room, if you guys can just request me, you guys just can request me. But if you guys don't have Minecraft or you're just not allowed
Bro,
to have
people
Minecraft,
thinks bro's name is Steak.
and guys, if you guys want a room of your own in this house, please tell me and we're actually gonna build it.
Yeah.
If we actually have that chance to. Because if we don't have the chance, you guys will probably get mentioned soon. So probably this is gonna be a really, really big tower. Who are you actually, bro?
Baba.
Who actually are you?
Baba is good.
It's like, what do you sound?
BRB.
He's lying, Sky. Guys, he's lying. He's still in his bed.
No, I'm not. I am in the closet hiding. Because someone is gonna kill me. Because they were my worst nightmare. Okay.
Okay, guys, Sky has to GTG, so he probably has to start recording. So, guys, say bye-bye to Sky.
Wait! Someone's gonna get me. No! No!
So guys,
Yung
if
bread
you,
dun sa Longhorn, parang sa ano din. Sa
Bombardist!
guys,
sa Texas. Bread nila. Ha?
BRB, Sky, come here. Bro,
Longhorn?
I'm deleting the
Steakhouse?
video. What?
Meron din
I
pala
got
sila
the
weekday
BRB.
promos.
Sky,
500
bro,
na.
come here. Sky, we have a problem right now.
What?
But okay, but never mind. I'm just gonna cut that out, okay?
I will record mine.
I thought you're not gonna record.
Okay. Okay, guys. I had to end this video.
So say bye-bye.
Bye. Peace.
Okay, guys. So if you guys, oh, bye-bye.